Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Baby Bum Sing-Along Corner. My name is Miss Molly and today we're learning a beautiful song called Row, Row, Row Your Boat, one of my absolute favorites. Now I've brought an instrument today to help us learn the song. Do you know what instrument this is? If you do, you can shout it out for me right now. Go ahead. I think I heard it. It's called a guitar. Can you say that with me? Guitar. Very good. Now my guitar is going to help me sing the song first, okay? So you can listen with your ears first, and then we'll go back to the very beginning of the song and we'll slow it down so you can sing it with me, okay? Listen closely. Oh, it's so pretty. What a nice song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yeah, such a nice song. Okay, let's go to the very first line of the song. The first line is, row, row, row your boat. Yeah, let's talk it just like that first, okay? Let's do it again. Row, row, row your boat. Yeah, say it with me this time. Ready? Row, row, row your boat. One more time. Row, row, row your boat. Very nice. Okay, let's add a little movement to our words. I like to do movements because it helps me remember the words to the song a little easier. So let's use our imaginations and we're gonna sit ourselves inside of our boat. Very nice boats, everybody. Now we need a paddle to go down the stream, right? So let's hold it with our two hands just like this, and we're gonna row. Yeah. Rowing means you move the water behind you so you can get going. So as we're moving our hands, let's say those words again. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat. Oh yeah. Again. Row, row, row your boat. One more time together. Row, row, row your boat. Ooh, so nice. I think it's time for us to add a little bit of music, okay? Let me sing that first line for you. Ready? Row, row, row your boat. Yeah. Sing it with me. Row, row, row your boat. Very good. Again. Row, row, row your boat. Very nice. Okay, this time can you add your paddles and sing? Row, row, row your boat. Oh, looking so good. Again. Row, row, row your boat. And last time, do it by yourself. Go! Oh, wow, I can't believe we already did that. That sounded amazing. Let's keep going. So the next line is gently down the stream. Yeah, let's say that again. Ready? Gently down the stream. Again, one more time. Gently down the stream. Perfect. Let's add our little movement. So I'm gonna make my hand go like this, like some water in the stream. Yeah? Can I see your stream moving from side to side? Let's say it. Gently down the stream. Good. Again. Gently down the stream. So beautiful. Again, gently down the stream. By yourself this time? Try it. Go ahead. Woo! Very nice. Okay, let's sing it. Goes like this. Listen closely. Gently down the stream. Just those words. Let's sing them. Gently down the stream. So nice. Again. Gently down the stream. Let's add those movements. Gently down the stream. Let me see your nice streams there. Again, gently down the stream. One more time together, okay? Gently down the stream and by yourself. Let's go. Oh, so nice. Okay, let's go back to the beginning and we're gonna put those two lines together. Remember what they are? Row, row, row your boat. Oh, and we did those movements. We said, row, row, row your boat. And then it was gently down the stream. Okay, let's sing it nice and slow. Ready? Let me see those paddles. Ready? Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Again, yeah? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. One more time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Very good. Thumbs up. Let's keep going. The next line is merrily, 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 merrily. 4 merrilies. Let's do it again. I'm going to count for you, okay? Ready? Merrily, 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 merrily. Wow, that's a lot of merrilies. Let's do it again. Here we go. Merrily, 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 merrily. One more time. Do you want to count with me this time? I think you should try. I know you can. Here we go. Merrily, 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 merrily. Very good. Now, I think we should add a little hand movement to help us remember those 4 merrilies. So I'm going to put a little star in the sky with each hand, like this. Merrily, 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 merrily. Can you try that with me? Here we go. Merrily, 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 merrily. Ooh, that looks pretty cool, like fireworks. Let's do it again. Merrily, 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 merrily. One more time, together. Merrily, 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 merrily. And by yourself. Ready, set, go. Ooh, so good. So let's sing it. It goes like this. Merrily, 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 merrily. Again. Merrily, 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 merrily. Sing it with me this time, nice and loud. Ready? Merrily, 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 merrily. And by yourself this time. Ready, set, go. Oh, beautiful. Hey, do you think we can go back to the very beginning of the song and do all 3 lines together? Yeah? I think we can try. We'll do it a couple of times to make sure we know it, okay? So remember, we start with row, row, row your boat, yeah? I'm gonna do those motions with you, yeah? We're gonna start with our paddle. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Wow, that was fun. Let's do it one more time. Get those paddles ready. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Wow, that was really fun. I think we're ready to add our last line of the song, which is this. Life is but a dream. Sure is. Let's say it again. Life is but a dream. Again. Life is but a dream. One more time. Life is but a dream. Good. And here's our movement, just one simple one. As if we're dreaming, we can put our head on our pillow and say, life is but a dream. One more time. Life is but a dream. Good. Can we try to sing it this time? Like this. Life is but a dream. Together. Life is but a dream. One more time. Life is but a dream. Ah, so nice. Oh, can you try it by yourself? Ready? Life is but a dream, all by yourself. Ready, set, go. Life. Very nice. All right, I think it's time for us to go back to the very beginning and do all 4 lines together. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do the movements with you first and sing it, and then we'll do it one more time, and I will play my guitar and you can do the movements by yourself. How does that sound? Ready? Let's grab our paddles and sit in our boats, and let's take a little ride. Ready, set, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I'm going to do that with you one more time. Okay, ready? Let's paddle. Uh-huh. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, this is such a beautiful song. I'm gonna play my guitar for this last one, and I'm gonna sing it with you. And I want you to do those movements with your hands all by yourself. I can't wait to see you do it, okay? Ready, set, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. My friends, I had so much fun learning row, row, row your boat with you. Will you give yourselves a big round of applause? That was fantastic. Now I think it's time for you to go sing with some of your favorite little baby bum characters. I'll see you next time right here on the Sing Along Corner. Bye everyone.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row,